2020, Dino's Get Down. Ross with Premier Street Rods. This year we brought a 56 Chevy pickup. So the truck behind me, we named it Sonic. This thing started out just an idea on a piece of paper. This thing started brand new with nothing. It started with a TCI chassis underneath of it, LS power, still rocking the AccuAir tank in it. Our body kit, this thing is tight, right, ready to rock. Power plant underneath of it, GM crate motor. It's a LS3, 420 horse. This thing's built to cruise drive down the highway all day long. Overdrive 4-speed, 4L75, rocking that Currie 9-inch in the rear. Interior, we did this one with a new company called SoCal Customs. They're out of California. They absolutely killed it. I give them mad respect for what they laid down on the inside. Resto Mod, those guys, you guys want to cool down in the summertime, they got your back, man. Dakota Digital gauges, bright light, ready to go. You can see that thing anywhere. It's a full kicker sound system in that thing. It rocks, dude. It's freaking awesome. Paint and body was all done in-house. We do all of our stuff in-house. This oddball color behind me, you'll see it on new Honda. So this is what they call a Sonic Gray, hence the name of the truck, Sonic. And it was a bold move. It was an interesting color. When we first sprayed it, we were unsure of like how this thing would actually lay out when we pieced it all together. And it is turned out very good. Inside the bed, we use Marquet. Marquet has got the best quality stuff out there on the planet, and if you guys haven't used them, you guys need to really look into it and use their stuff. It is all their wood. It's actually we went with a walnut wood, custom tinted that thing to match and really accent the wheels. So the aluminum bed strips compared to the wood really was stained out and painted correctly to really pull the whole character of the truck together. Wheels, we got the Budnick tungstens. They're 20 by 8.5 in the front, 22/11 in the rear, wrapped in a very beautiful grippy Nito Invo tire. We really like to thank these guys like Budnick. They are amazing people. Nito, those guys, they have such a random offset of different tires that you can pretty much find any mismatch in shape and size. To get this thing to stop, Wilwood. This thing is rocking Wilwoods all day long. So this chassis is the Pro Touring style. It gives it that stance. It's the Pro Touring Shockwave chassis. It is on air. It gives you that adjustability up and down. They ride good, they perform good, they're out on the track, they're street driven, it don't matter, they get down and do their thing. This thing cruises very nicely, very comfortably, still gives you that airbag low look, but is a very tight feel at the end of the day, so we're very happy with them. I'd like to thank everyone, all of our vendors, all of the guys that put their heart and soul into building this thing, putting this thing together. It turned out fantastic. The customer just seen it yesterday and is nothing but smiles. I cannot wait for him to get in there, especially me, burn some tires off, and have some fun.